How to log in CIBC Costco Mastercard. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. Search for CIBC Costco Mastercard login. You need to tap on the suggestion that is CIBC Online Banking. When you select on it, you'll be redirected to the official homepage of CIBC. To log in into your account, it is pretty simple. All you have to do is simply enter your card number and password. If you are using your own device, tap on Remember this card number. Then select on the Sign On button. Tap on Register if you have not signed up for a Mastercard. In that case, firstly enter a card number, expiration date and phone number on the file that is your identification card. Tap on Next. There might be some of the verification process where it will require some of your TIN or SSN. Make sure that you have it with you. Once it is verified, you will get yourself your very own CIBC Costco Mastercard. That sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.